This is my honest Leadpages reviews 2026, and I've been using Leadpages for over 10 years, from my first opt-in page to full marketing funnels today. If you want landing pages that actually convert, listen up. I've tried everything: ClickFunnels, Unbounce, WordPress plugins, and every single time I came back to Leadpages. Why? Because it's simple, stable, and ridiculously fast. No coding, no crashes, just clean pages that make sales. Leadpages 2026 gives you 200 plus conversion optimized templates, real-time A/B testing, instant mobile optimization, and integrations with MailChimp, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Shopify, all in one dashboard. When I switched, my opt-ins jumped from 17% to 38%. Every design and headline in Leadpages is based on real conversion data. That's why serious marketers and creators keep using it after a decade. It just works. ClickFunnels, Unbounce, Instapage, great tools, but heavier and pricier. Leadpages stays lean, lightning fast load speeds, clean drag and drop, and pages that simply convert. After 10 years using it, I can tell you Leadpages 2026 is the most polished version yet. If you want to build beautiful, high-converting pages without coding, this is it. And the best part, there's a free trial, no credit card needed. Click the link in the description or pinned comment and start your trial today.